Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching. In this tutorial I'd like to show you the most important Austrian Christmas cookies. They taste awesome, but some of them are really hard to pronounce. For example, Vanillekipferl or Kokosbusserl. What is your favorite Christmas cookie? Please let me know in the comments below. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to get to know the most important Austrian Christmas cookies. In Austrian German, Christmas cookies are called Weihnachtskekse or Weihnachtskeksel. If you like the video, please like it or even subscribe to my channel. Let's start with one of the most famous Austrian Christmas cookies, the Vanillekipferl. Vanillekipferl can be translated as vanilla cresents. Vanillekipferl are similar to shortbread with hazelnuts and are U-shaped. The most important ingredient is vanilla sugar, in which the Kipferl are rolled after baking. Another important part of Austrian Christmas culture is gingerbread, in German Lebkuchen. You can find a lot of different shapes and flavors when it comes to Lebkuchen. For instance, Lebkuchen can be filled with fruits, be covered with chocolate, or be covered with nuts. The next interesting Christmas cookies are the so-called Linzaugen, which could be translated as Linze eyes or eyes from Linz. Linzaugen are two shortbread cookies that are sticked together with the help of apricot or red currant jam. Furthermore, Kokosbusserl are very popular Christmas cookies in Austria. Kokosbusserl are coconut macaroons. The one-to-one translation of Kokosbusserl is coconut kisses. Additionally, Zimtsterne are very common Christmas biscuits. Zimtsterne are cinnamon stars with the main ingredients nuts and cinnamon. Rumkugeln are rum balls and consist of chocolate, nuts and rum. Most of the time, Rumkugeln are covered with coconut flakes, chocolate or fine nuts. Besides, Windringel are used as Christmas cookies as well as a part of the Christmas tree. In general, Windringel are round-shaped meringue biscuits. The one-to-one translation is little wind rings. Further Christmas cookies are Mandelbällchen, which are almond balls. Mandelbällchen are biscuits made of sugar, egg whites and grated nuts. I hope you are a bit more familiar with typical Austrian Christmas cookies that are delicious but hard to pronounce. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial and see you in the next video. Have a nice day, auf Wiedersehen.